I bought these Madras lentils, all natural, from Tasty Bite from Amazon. We joined Amazon Prime. Indian cuisine. Lentils, red beans and spices in a creamy tomato sauce, vegetarian. Now I had those before and that's why I ordered them again. They are so good. And I have some rice here, and I bought a rice cooker also from Amazon for $16 and something for a 5-cup rice cooker. I think it's a 5-cup. So I'm eating this rice that I got in the Asian market, some sweet rice, and then I'm going to put some of these lentils on it, and it's going to be delicious. Thank you, Amazon. Let me show you. You just peel the package open right here. We decided to go outside today and eat out here. All we did is turn that rice cooker on and set it on warm. I just plugged it in. It was already cooked. That rice cooker is really a great investment, because we bought a lot of rice in packages like this from Amazon. We decided to just make rice again like we always used to. Let me show you the ingredients. And the nutrition facts. We just got it recently, and now it's February 2017. It keeps this long till November 30th, 2017. Now this pouch you can make in the microwave. That's what I like about it. Let's eat it. I'll be eating these Madras lentils with my rice outdoors. That's what they look like. Good.